Start by navigating to york.accessiblelearning.com/MTSU and logging in using your pipeline credentials. The first time you log in, you might see required forms at the top of the page. You must agree to these before the system will allow you to send accommodation letters. You can access your e-form agreements either by clicking on one of them or by clicking the Continue to Sign Electronically button. In either case, it will take you to a new page where it will let you sign all of your e-form agreements at once. To sign your agreements, you must type your name in the text exactly as it appears on the screen. Then click the Submit Form button. Once you have completed all required e-form agreements, you will be taken to your AIM dashboard overview page. From here, you can request accommodations for your class and view all of your accommodation requests. You can access your requests in one of two ways. 1. You can click on the List Requests link on the left-hand side under Accommodations. This will take you to the overview page for the current and previous 2 semesters. You can click on the plus sign for the semester you are requesting accommodations for, labeled Add Requests for Classes. This will take you to your accommodations request page. Alternatively, from your dashboard overview page, you can scroll down to the accommodations request box and click on the plus sign, labeled Add Requests for Classes. This will also take you to your accommodations request page. Once on your request page, place a check in the boxes of the classes for which you would like accommodations. The system syncs nightly with MTSU's data management system, so a class added that day will not appear until the next morning. If you wish to use the same accommodations for your selected classes, you can check the Same Accommodations box below your courses. If you choose this option and click Continue to Next Step, the accommodations you choose will apply to all of your selected courses. Choose which accommodations that you want to use for your selected classes. After you have chosen your accommodations, check the box next to the Your Responsibility section and click the Submit Request button. Otherwise, if you want to individualize your accommodations per class, do not check the Same Accommodations box. Then click the button labeled Continue to Next Step. On this screen, you will see all of your selected courses and you can choose which accommodations you would like for each course. You can also check the Select All box, which will apply all of your accommodations to that class. Repeat this process for each of the classes that you selected. Regardless of which option you choose, once you have finished selecting your accommodations, in the Final Step box, place a checkmark next to the Your Responsibility section and then click the Submit Request button. The DAC will authorize your requests within 2 business days. Once authorized, your instructor will receive your accommodation letter via email. You can check to see if your letter has been sent in 2 different ways. Scroll down to see the progress of each notification letter, including when it was emailed or read by the instructor. The second option is to click on My Mailbox on the left side of the screen to see all the emails that have been sent, including the one your instructor received. Once you know your instructor has received a letter, make contact to discuss the best ways to implement it for your classes.